Alright, so I'm just making a short series of videos just documenting how I go about sanding these bag clips. This one I left the actual tongs or legs, whatever, clean, and I just painted the top, and I'm going to do this with some fresh sandpaper here. Nothing crazy. But the fresh sandpaper is going to bite pretty hard, take off a lot of paint. My arm went off. Make sure I get all those facets that I know to put on here. Alright, and then hit the dust. A little bit of water shows what it'll look like eventually. Nice worn look to it. Pretty cool.